my faction was an opera to leave the house early in his annual.
I'm consul need it.
Be a fine. You remember Papa watch it. Also, you're better than you.
So, be dia.
Although you'll be a yano, who do ever.
I'll go far crab at home.
So, just here.
About also. If you're so strong,
what's that? Then I'll be
Damemo 6.
It's okay.
It's enough for
you. Will she need to be a fine?
I will be made.
I be fine. I'll change a casket stamp drew. I want you over that fine. I want you to be any answer.
But that time I'll be an answer.
What the crown and go fools? You come now, no person be some. But who do you draw on ma? Maybe so. Maybe so. And I want to crave your indulgence part to get out your tea for any chef on Facebook. Make sure so to me near know about Facebook, no about near didn't come on come. Send it BBI come. I say Club World Cup next say I say baby a corner. It's beginning to get more interesting. So I'm very certain say the Club World Cup be more interesting in terms of matches near Barcelona. And Ronaldo. The news came up say Olympic Lyonnais, and you see, and yet club is in France, apart from Marseille, Lyon, these are the like even some PSG would have where's the Man City be? The traditional French clubs some years successful. No? These are the teams, and all of a sudden, because of financial mismanagement of Lyon for the finances, rich. In November, and a Lyon for the committee in charge of checking the health of finances of French clubs. No, I catch almost say almost they cut 180 million euros. And you see, almost careful, almost a temporary ban to the League 2, temporary demotion to the League 2. Now, almost in January, in June, they will do another review. Somebody review that's still a cannot in the such a rich and ya don't bet me. I bet me at League 1 the movie El rich. Now Gabi Bobo list to him as players who bet me on cut prices. No crying say rich. In Lyon, all of the players all club money now you want to transfer list so. Everybody's on the transfer market. And Estapia, Niama, Corentin, Tolisso, every player in Lyon.
Any team no one is over.
Sir, who is Cabanco Matoma? Son of a which way?
Some of the players, Babo.
Say nearly 2 mark pay a free or 2. Nearly 2 days a free. I went to me because it's when to me for an Estapia, Niaman, Colitungo, Chinese, Escanal Channel, Liguano. When you are not getting those sponsorships, sponsors will go. And watch, even in recent times, Lyon are top players, Pao. Strasbourg on quite 4 players from Lyon. Chelsea boy, a friend of Mamadou Saya and Asiabai, or a Lyon boy. Malo Gusto, a Lyon boy. Chelsea have been linked to Malik Fofana, Lyon. And Estapia Niamba wanted to leave, Lyon. A lot of the boys are Lyon. And we are in serious financial distress, Pa. Serious financial distress. And Omu funny enough, Omu he doesn't just own one club. Osasi a part owner of club with Ibian Bubia na asemu yaba. Botofago, say Botofago, say Botofago.
Botofago, say
Bubia has a problem, yes. It was
a Brazil.
Me home to be 2 grants and me book club. Osasi a part of the owners of that club, El Brazil. So, known businessman owns other businesses as well. But rich, the running of Lyon has been very problematic. In fact, watching away from Lyon, but still, so Bekaya, Abraham to an Estapia Niaman, and then Lyon to an Estapia Niaman. Appear Niaman, if you look at real documents, a new Lyon player, and you're one of the feeder clubs of Lyon, and a Cocoto appear Niaman, and a Manococo Lyon. It's a question appear Niaman Crano, or on loan to Lyon from a different club in Belgium, but then because those are all clubs that are owned by the owner, it's the club there. It looks as if it's going to be very, very difficult for them to get things that Wait, you see, this is the reason why Italian Serie A clubs no matter how competitive a bear league, they can't compete in Europe. I'm going to mean compete. how old is Luka Modric? 38, 39, 40. Okay, Kakos aside, Ronaldo mo classmates, no, Messi mo classmates. 38, 39, 40. That is the range of age our branch friend Luka Modric ever. Rich. And now, this is the sporting director of Tima, your friend AC Milan. Your friend Igli Tare. Now, Igli is Albanian international. No, the sporting director for Lazio, our Italian Serie A. Now, he has taken up the job to be the sporting director at AC Milan. What we now? Immediately, Obabe Fair Jumano. Rich, AC Milan of one Aton Abrante Friend Tijani Renders to go to AC Milan, to go to Manchester City. Rich, Sikano Moji.
On 9th September 1985.
1985.
Yeah.
It means that he's going to turn 40 this year.
39 years.
No, he's turning 40.
So go 40. September.
September. I mean, in September, the 40. Rich, Oton Tijani Renders. Egiskano. Also, for 40-year-old Luka Modric. But you need new leaders. Which Napoli, right? Wajiska, almost 60 million.
Because reason all them man, what to a young player? Akofa older player sabi is in the born wa boy.
Exactly. And Koba, so
reason how the Kofa is also open leader. In Obia Engine o Fedi.
Rich, oh the fans open leaders cry. You bring the young players and add Luka Modric to it as a leader. Tisenya Napoli for a with Kevin De Bruyne.
Yeah.
Napoli has Billy Gilmore. Napoli has Scott McTominay. Anguissa Honum, Lobotka Honum. These are all top midfielders in Napoli. And almost okay, yeah, the Kevin De Bruyne peso because Kevin De Bruyne winning matches be
boys in the grass who football age. 39, 40. And look at football age. To call the age pa okay, come 50.
But it's similar to the Enval. No, like Osha and
bad decision.
Which Sikano Ebiniho. Omujis Kana, you don't know what they use the money for. Omako for Maximiano Allegri, and then maybe Michel Mifonso. There is this app called Italian Football. And I'm sending notifications AC Milan for say, apart from Luka Modric, the key man in the made for next season by Robin Loftus-Cheek. Loftus-Cheek is a former Chelsea player. More full half season crap pay. Loftus-Cheek about 1, 2, 3, 4 no pra. About 1, 2, 3, 4 no pra. So how does Robin Loftus-Cheek become the main midfielder in the AC Milan team under Abrante friend Maximiano Allegri? After that, there is Abrante Nechi Efri Ghana, former Valencia player, or friend is saying USA. Very, very good player, but not good enough. Yunus Musa. Not the player that takes AC Milan to the top level. Okay, AC Milan in Fiifi, really nobody. The best player is out, and then they cannot invest in the right way. And they are in a lot of trouble. Ega Tare say, Omunim say, ABR, transfer window in Via Betiniesi. Now, almost can't Chelsea for say Mike Mignon born and Yari Beteso. Almost say whether before the Club World Cup or after the Club World Cup, they won't reduce the price for Mike Mignon. What I know is that Chelsea will go back and ask questions about Mike Mignon. Say, do you want us AC Milan for Netiswa? They will try and do a deal for Abrante friend Mike Mignon to become the new goalkeeper for Chelsea for now. Nkofone say Yombe Jumano. We Koti Nico Williams. Say, I will play for Barca. That is what is in front of sport. So Obama Barca. Which on him, Barca for one are in the second phase of Operation Get Nico Williams. And I don't know what I catch you. I think and now me believe it strongly. Say Barca for one sat down and then plotted a way to get Nico Williams. And your coincidence. Felix Tainta going to meet Deco to tell him that the boy want to come was not a coincidence. 2. And now Felix Tainta and your better friend Nico have gone to Athletic Club and then they've told them, say Jack, me person me kobo Barca. And the 2 steps were very, very important steps in terms of strengthening Barca's negotiation when they have to go to Athletic Club. So I'm going to compare structure or how to pay. The truth of the matter is that whether Barca will do the deal for Nico Williams before June 30th or after June 30th, Barca will need to do certain things on their own. One, say Athletic Club they will quickly accept it. Two, so when players in 10 tema, they will quickly do it and then augment on the books before they can get your friend Nico Williams in. In all of that, they have been able to make sure somebody agree salary now. One, the contract will be long to amortize over a long time, and then two, receive any salary, send them here, standing them. Barca for one person who told Andres Christensen before the 30th of June. Andres Christensen joined Barca for free. It is almost toner. Sikabi Benyabia will be the net, -0. Because ideally, it is how much you bought the player, uti free how much I will tell you more. Then you get the amount of money which is your profit on your books. But whatever amount of money Barca for Everton Andreas Christensen, they will get it on their books as a full amount for Andreas. In terms of Tono, away from performance, they want to sell Andreas for this reason. Rich, the plot is on. And now, immediately Felix Tainta any Abrantia friend Nico El Kachi Athletic Club for say they want to do a deal for him and on person call Barca no. It means that Barca for no go in. On person omunya good bargaining points when they go to Athletic Club. Say oh boy no club person free mo club ha. Ye no person bomai. Munya hu bibi mayen. Ni ntimi for Abrantia friend Nico Williams and free and conquer argument. Barca for are in. They are going to get their man a friend of Abrantia, your friend Nico Williams. We've spoken about Paul Abile Pogba, and now there was an update on Abrantia friend and Sumani Fati. Officially, they are going to Nyami Admochina or Benny Medicals on Friday or Benny Medicals, and then this time Monaco for winning. They were fighting for an option to buy, not obligation to buy. And Omanya say Okona and Fao Honoma, they will return him back to team a friend FC Barcelona, and then he will continue over there. And then there was an interview of Spain for manager our friend Luis de la Fuente. De la Fuente is on our Athletic Club, and he doesn't care where any player goes. It's just the right thing that has to be done. And once Barca does the right thing, they'll get a branch friend Nico Williams, and then he's going to go on and then play the game for them. And now we in your match. Yanka once before the game, and won't waste too much time on it after the game. Mehu the possible route at Chelsea beating Yafa to possibly go to the semi-final or quarter-final or final or whatever of the Club World Cup. And now, Enzo Maresca signs the son in Sano, or the goalkeeper Philippe Jorgensen Babedemu, Gusto Tosin Badlashile, a Champon, Lavia, Dries Biol, Enzo, Madueke, Nkunku, and a branch of friend Liam Delap, and a starting game. It means that major players be to say Cole Palmer mo RST, Levi Cole RST, Reece James RST, Moises Caicedo RST. And when the game started, Rich, you could tell say how much and I say you may ball better than the daytime game. As in whether they a little bit chilled for them, they could run around and they could play well. Rich, in the game, your ball game now could do the 40th minute. 45th minute call half time. Not just in she go. Now Esperance the Tunis for at to buy Bobain aggressive with Chelsea, solid low block, preventing Chelsea from breaking them down. In the first game, Liam Delap a boy for Chelsea. Oh yeah, assist Emma Abrantia friend Enzo Fernandez for Enzo to score. In this game, Abrantia friend Liam Delap actually goal. But then the goal came from an assist from our brand here, your friend Enzo Fernandez. It looks as if said there is a building partnership between the two. And this was it from our brand here, friend Enzo Fernandez, our brand here, friend Liam Delap. It was a boa, noni madweke and control as started on. Then Enzo won it, found our brand here, friend Liam Delap and got the goal. Somebody has done an analysis of the scan of our brand here, friend Liam Delap. Apparently, before he got the ball, Liam scanning to his left. Space that him. Then the second scan before the ball came to him to his right, and a branch of friend Liam. 8 minutes goal against Tima, your friend Esperance de Tunis. First half, no Esperance for the ball, 3 shots, none on target. 1 header, 1 left foot, 1 right foot, 2 assists for our branch of friend Enzo Fernandez on the night. and Esperance the Tunis. I'm saying I got be catch on. Rich, the man of the match, no, Echo my branch here friend tossing at the Rebiayo. Now, I am shocked. Set video we more our hasi. Me yima our honum Jeff Michelle. Saw video of tossing at the Rebiayo and urging the man of the match. Rich tossing edging the man of the match award. Nasheku Pama. And we Johnny General born in same man. Now video ni baka koto Malo Gusto ni Romeo Lavia so make I say then I quantity man of the match. She Lavia him say no. He should not be the man of the match award. But now Tosin Adrebiayo won the match of the match award. And now I must mention a branch friend Joshua Kofi a champion. Very, very good player. I don't know if it's early days yet and whether Chelsea Ghana beating here didn't come on and we'll see if we can bring in a branch friend Joshua champion. Rich. 19-year-old boy. I saw two things that I liked. The ball carrying ability and in the fact say what, but still with him check. And inside inverted role and Enzo Maresca born he was good. Chelsea for darling boy a friend Andre Santos and so in the second half. Not too clean, but you could tell some rustic akra. And of course Enzo Maresca said he will need some time for him to get into the groove our Chelsea club numu el honum. And this is the lineup baby at Chelsea beating ya for their call. Rich, Benfica and Chelsea beat here on Saturday.
Okay. So we're around 16 fixtures now. Yeah. It be a set.
Yeah.
Paris Saint-Germain about Inter Miami.
Yeah.
Na Mosma about Benfica.
Yeah.
Flamingo. Mon call for no master for no.
Yeah. I'm
about buying. Na Palmeiras and so about Botafogo for no.
But
no.
So much in solid power.
Brazil for me no.
Be solid. Now and Chelsea for no more bumper say Juventus and Man City.
Moment I'm Juve line no.
Yes, I can yenchi Juve ha. Say Benfica the win and can.
Let's say Juve team Asia City. It means they will be to Chelsea.
Juve ana. Juve.
So to me City team the film there. I don't want to miss Chelsea.
Ayimo George Ambano.
Oh, come on. Kofi, you don't get my point. What I'm saying is
I get it.
And so to me City there. It means that Juve team the year.
No guys Timothy Wiamwa.
Nanya no the Chelsea.
Kenan Yodes ma.
Mpacho.
Gabi ze me gajo so munyade.
Yodes.
So munyade.
Sa akwa no nkwa ugina ha. I just want catch Chelsea players be 5 boom.
Any Pierre Kalulu mo.
Okay, komuni na boom.
Pierre Kalulu mo.
Sa no onya Yodes no.
Juve boys no want to. Juve boys want to share ball when mo na. Want to share Florentina mo na. Juve for ya.
We are talking about a club World Cup.
We are talking about a club World Cup.
Who's on coach situation me ache no.
Okay.
Obobo Chelsea they say hold you obobo George you na.
Say the boys say ho na afane dey moto wa na akọ final ana. Ana ka mo se mo man man. Me na can pe Madrid we side o. Say ka semi final bi na ka Madrid.
Mo na so mo nji mutim ni.
Madrid ana.
Me ka Chelsea.
Boys no mo.
Obo competition. Obo competition. So obo so winning competition na. And so we share the best in the competition.
Senior Ronaldo the Albania mo kokoji Euros yesterday. That's our story. Albania mo on nam 10 what decade.
So who say obetimi agye then especially obetimi a share the cities, the Juves and the rest. And the Chelsea are champion.
Yenya nketo so a ye be shako. Yenya nketo a ye be shako. Na
mo akra mo team no mo nhye dan ni gidi bia umuza.
Ye team no. Rich. Now you see Ade ba kwa se de bia.
Because one na wotena ha ka kire say oh Champions League no. O pese UEFA mama Real Madrid. Na se Barcelona.
Club Cup no se pe Madrid.
Nti afede e den na wo so bomb pa say. Juve nkwa City film say na bia mu nkuja ai.
Dem say City de unia boss no. Maresca ne boss ne Pep. Nti ye pese obe share this year.
Yate.
Ebia no wagu na nyuma so set Pep record no.
Yate.
Ti ye pe Real Madrid.
Mo on pese apprentice babo ne master.
David.
Okay.
Na Madrid Raul Asensio mu cause penalty di record. Hey, you ever show me too much? Be show me bebree. Real Madrid. You show me be bloody. The ambassador of Croatia. You ever show me?
Yate.
Who beats them?
Esperanza number show ma BDD.
Esperanza
ya.
How do we know so?
Oh man be say ya number she bia dia BDD.
Yes, Flamingo so ga.
Esperanza de bi hu so minim so so ma sasa.
Africa class.
O ma Delap we show Delap. Wait.
Delap no yo.
Oh, mas wanya.
Delap we strike out.
Kofi wanya.
Umpire obo nyina no.
Esperanza pa de da mo ya no Africa yi.
But Delap next season.
Say mo nya kotoko ne asa no.
But Delap next season won't say less than 15 goals. All competitions.
Delap na my onye.
At the first now Shanana.
Oh, Michelle no.
Ipswich Town
Ipswich no because of the pressure and said you gidi. This is Chelsea.
And no so no pressure and fan and any pressure.
Akwa me nyumza.
Delap ni nyum.
Anyway, Esperance ntia.
Ni hold up play quite underrated.
Esperance.
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 Na if for no say LA Galaxy. Nti na me catch Andy say on.
Los Angeles for no mo nyaade. So wunim.
Minim say na be kenta me catch Andy say, "Come me pe Bayern." Mini see she Bayern say because a company. Yes, because Benfica yes na because we Benfica wanyade. Baba Sachifa no Champions League yes na ye be kan mo.
Me bo enya Benfica na Barcelona dey time against 11 show mo.
Barcelona no time against 11 when
Barca dey time against 11 show.
Yes you go di red.
Our dalu say.
Yes you go di red card na.
Me pesa me chese.
Yes you go di red.
Me ka say mo go di red card me pesa me chese. Say team a obo home. I'm so take you 2 goals lead the class say me can ye ba in the Champions League. Barca the time against 11 bet share no. Any team
to what?
Benfica mo no Chelsea show mo news.
Benfica mo Chelsea share.
Me until some better Real Madrid. Ever say City no money ade no. You who Chelsea.
But last week go catch NTM Champions League teams name more. Benfica Champions League team.
Munya mo we o.
Ina ka se ti ye boy, ma me kan je.
Nti we dem ye mo nwi, ye bo wia.
Benfica Juve obi abeje. Me na me pe Bayern. Cause Benfica match na be din a chen Bayern match.
Ti me Infantino nkasa na.
O ma ye wi.
Ka yen swap.
O ma ye wi. But rich, but Bayern ke easy kura auto.
Hey Kofi.
You see, me ya be ka say Kofi.
Ka say you Kofi.
Enye ko se me no na na.
Ube wi na afi ube chirechim na no mo ne ayi Flamingo yi. Uchem za
Flamingo mi man chire.
Itimi so uni abe.
Flamingo una uchem.
Chile wisa.
Flamingo una chire. Yeah, you see I tactics no.
Mo big boys no.
Big boy.
Mo big boys ni wi a na me hu sa afi de.
Rich.
Chelsea arrive back to see ade.
And now Maresca share the camera 3-3-4 solid when you na solid plan or they call round of 16 munti. It will be average. Why?
Okay.
Yeah, don't worry. Now money in Bomo do na kuzi.
Oh, enche.
That first
enche. On say di on oh yeah. Dia ne hia pa ye player in question.
Okay.
In Bomo no aka kire ono a ne former coach.
Yeah.
To my friend say, oh papa, why you be mami?
Okay.
But Torium Memo project now Manchester for no at to acheme no. It's good and solid. Inti person kobo Manchester United.
Okay.
Inti aka say 60 down on open so be can the improve bid the cup which is 60 plus.
Okay.
Inti just matter of a documentation paperwork na official announcement na banti you will get our man.
Why?
Yeah. Nana Dankwa say playing for a big club is so hard. Imagine having a stellar season like Rafinha did and hearing they are signing a new player for your position the next season.
It's the same as working for a top company.
Now Ottawa near do biba.
Obi ampamu
ba wa na abeko
eno no there be wonko ye be say ye bo tuja na ade ni say we 2 hours say 2 times 4 eno dey see and Barca on kra no Rafinha can play
central. Say Abranti o kwen
o nyanko we
Rodrigo onko
English clubs no are contacting the papa several times but still I'm turning it down and it looks as if says things are Xabi Alonso buy no when you have good relationship with him on in komo. I don't think so Rodrigo will leave Barcelona, Real Madrid as at this point in time. I don't think so be free team your friend FC Real Madrid. Now, Madrid if one say it looks as if someone number 10 no. Modric Jenny Bema branch friend Kylian Mbappe.
Okay.
Say Modric Cherko. He has not asked for it. But commercial wise it makes sense. Yeah. It's most likely they are going to give it to Mbappe for them to sell some players. And now Benfica for president Rudy Garcia say Omuni Madrid for no omunya any offer for branch friend Alvaro Carreras. Mr. Oye Madrid niya. What they are saying is that they've not gotten any offer for branch friend Alvaro Carreras from Real Madrid. And here we go for Kepa Arrizabalaga to Arsenal. Obe second choice to a branch friend David Raya. Inti rich imagine David Raya befa Arsenal Jumei. And you Obe cinema you see the Kepa so ba we assistant. See, you can tell competition for places no serious. With rich yeah, man, you see, I say, Yayeti, and he said, Fenerbahce for one say, after say Galatasaray top players be no on be somebody and Brantia your friend no Jadon Sancho ever become team no Jose Mourinho wants to build a team that can compete and they are looking at Jose Mourinho. In fact, a lot of the report from Turkey say a done deal and a Brantia friend Jadon Sancho will go to Fenerbahce. We will quote me Sabi I'm fan tuja na ene mabusianfo be ko figure see no omo ho chance no enkonko this guy ho no rich ene your first code no 10 odds and on a 204E1793 and on the first code the second one is 204E15AF and the last one a 204E8AFE which these are the codes and yedema yeti for us omoko fikesi omoko
na was a marriage day ebisa say Thomas Partey is there na say no dem say abechichi ma Arsenal for no can so okọ the only thing Arsenal for no can say Zubimendi no or young Partey so enche no be feed off enti ono MSR and Zubimendi no timi bo positions be but as so they can still accommodate Omumienu Nina. Later Partey Libya, they're not taking the position.
Also, for the Thomas Partey baiting, for me personally, you can't have the Thomas Partey in command without looking at Ononi interview now. Or you know, Partey looks like he wants the contract of SIM to be in his favor. And when the one Shania, Thomas may leave the club. Not because of Zubimendi, Arsenal they are preparing for their future, but Thomas will look at himself. So when your game time, that's a contract in a shorter. He may leave the club and then move on from.
But as we speak there, he's still.
Yeah, he's still at. But the contract may end at the end of this month.
Me sure some may be. Okay. Every club I know mine na enye. So.
Okay.
All right. Yen toso na Bismarck also bempire la. And so